Hi all, my name is Sarah Larson. I'm going to be walking you through this Canvas tutorial. What we will do is show you how to get there and also what to expect when you first log into the course. And say it's come time to log in. So it's the first of the month of the same month that your course is offered. So for example, Unconscious Bias will open up on October 1st. You're more than welcome to go in starting on October 1st to start any pre-work that's necessary. So how to get there is either use the same link that you used to register. You can say enroll in course. It'll say you're already enrolled and it'll take you straight through to this page. Or you can go directly to this page at learnmed.stanford.edu. All right, so you have these same options. You're going to click on the correct option, which is using SUNet. So click on that option. If you're already logged in, it's going to take you straight through to your dashboard. So let's come up to that page. So your dashboard is going to look a little something like this. And notice that I have published and unpublished courses here. That's because I'm an administrator, but yours will just say dashboard and enrolled courses. And for example, Unconscious Bias will come up. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on Unconscious Bias and you're going to be prompted with this screen. It'll show your pre-work, any pre-work that's required before the live Zoom session. You're going to click on these and check those out. After you click on those, you're going to move on to the live Zoom session. You can find out what day it is. Here it is right here. It's going to be October 22nd. If you click on this, you're going to find out what Zoom information you need. So it will be taught by Dr. Magali Fasciato, and the Zoom information is below. The course will take place from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Perfect. You can go ahead and add this to your calendar or to your phone, whatever you need. Now we're going to go back. And there's also post-work. So post-work will open up on the same day of the Zoom information being available. So post-work, you're going to see a feedback survey along with anything else that the instructor would like you to do after the live Zoom information and the live Zoom course is completed. And that's pretty much it. Once you're done with all these things, it registers in the system, and then you will be updated in Access as completed by the end of the same quarter. So for example, this is the fall quarter, so by December, you should see in your Access that you have taken Unconscious Bias. Now, again, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. My name is Sarah Larson. My information is shown here. I will be happy to help you out.